Hello, Dan Mowinski here, Certified AI Consultant and Chief AI Officer. Now, this video, I'm going to help you with your Skool community. So the tools that we're going to need for this is a paid subscription to Skool, not the $10 plan, unfortunately. You have to be on their other plan, the $99 plan. You do have to be on a Zap or a Zapier account that is also a paid plan. And then the third tool is Slack. Now you can be on the free Slack plan for this. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can get a new member from Skool and you can automatically add them to your GoHighLevel account and then automatically send yourself and your team a message directly in Slack. Very easily, all done through Zapier. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a new Zap. So this is the Zap that I've already created. So this is actually the live one in my real account that I have right now. So what you do is create a new Zap. Now you can build this manually, or you can just go down here to the AI assistant and tell it exactly what you want it to do. So you could set that up as well, the Copilot. But I'm going to do it manually here just so you can see exactly what I did. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Skool, so go to the connector, which is Skool. And I'm just going to edit this just so you can see. So you're going to want to go to the app and you're going to want to find Skool. You can search. There we go. And then Skool. So once you do that, choose the trigger event of new paid member. So what this will do is that as soon as you get a paid member, now Skool doesn't justify between the premium and the VIP. So it's just a new paid member in a community. So as soon as that paid member does happen, that's what triggers this event. And for me, I have it set that it looks every 2 minutes. So once I do get that new paid member, now you're going to want to connect your Skool account to this, which I already did to save you a little bit of time. So once you have that all connected, next you're going to want to go over to the LeadConnector. Now, the LeadConnector, this is the GoHighLevel. So when you search for what this is, you can't search GoHighLevel. You have to actually search LeadConnector in the app itself. So once you connect the LeadConnector, aka GoHighLevel, to this, this is what you can do. So you'll have this set up. So this will be the LeadConnector. That's what you change. You have that action event. So what the event is. So what I want to do is update or add a new contact if this person is not already in high level. Now, there's a lot of different things you can do with this as well. So if you want to do more steps when they become a paid member, you can, but I haven't set all of that up yet. And that's what this is not about. So we're just going to continue or add or update a current contact. And then this is where you connect that LeadConnector to it. Then the next step would be configure. And you would set the configure up. So now, as of this recording, the end of July 2026, there's not a whole lot of information that the API pulls directly from Skool. So some of the things that I do have is I get the first name, I get the last name. If you want to do the full name, you can pull that, their phone number, but this isn't available right now in the API, so you can search and it's actually not there. So then we have the phone number, which isn't there, and then we have the email address. But the rest of this information is actually unavailable currently with the current state. But what I do is I want to set up a tag. So what I can do is I'm going to set up a different video where once a person gets tagged inside of GoHighLevel, you can automatically add them to a sequence. And that's exactly what my plan is. So as soon as I get a new paid member, they automatically add it to my high level account. And then I get a notification in Slack, and then they start getting my welcome emails and thank you for becoming a VIP member within my Skool community. So I add those tags directly to it. So Skool, so that's anyone in Skool. Skool VIP is if they're a paid member. I don't differentiate between premium or VIP because that's just the way I'm set up. So my VIP is the same as premium. It's just annual versus monthly. So that's how I have my Skool set up. So the VIP is just not different at all. It's just annual. So it doesn't matter to me whether they're VIP or premium. All right, so the source that would come from is Skool. So this is the source inside of GoHighLevel. So it asks you what is the source of this contact or this new customer. I just set Skool so you can manually type this in. Now, I do not want to mark this person as a lead because they're a paid member. Then I can enter notes. Now, the notes would be the same for everyone on this. So the business name, I'm not going to enter that because this information is not being pulled from Skool. Now, how do I know this person? Is Skool, notes about the contact, and then any next steps. So these are are custom fields that I have within my HighLevel. So if you have different custom fields in your HighLevel, then this is where you could add additional information about this. So next steps, okay, yes, I am adding them to a sequence, but I also want to send a personal message, a one-on-one, a DM inside of Skool as well. All right. So next, what we would do is you would want to test it. Now I already did test this, so I don't need to retest the step. So the next thing I would want to do is continue. All right, so after I continue, that'll bring me to my third step in this Zap. So this one would be send a Slack message. Now my Slack channel is a free Slack channel, or free Slack account. So once I connect my Slack account to this, the action event is I want to send a channel message. So I have a dedicated channel inside of my Slack for payments. So all of the payments that I get from all of the different providers, whether it's Stripe, a national bank card, commas, or Skool. So anything all comes into one channel. So if I want to see how much money I made, I can just very quickly look there and see exactly what's going on. So I have that action event to send a message, and then that's the account that I have. So you have to connect your account, which it's very easy to do. Just follow the steps literally. Then the next is I would want to configure this. Now this is where I would configure. So the channel, so that's just my Slack channel. The name of it is paid. That's it. So do I want to add Zapier app to this channel automatically? So yep, I already added that. So the app is already inside of that channel. So then the message text. So the text itself is new paid Skool member, boom, and then the first name and last name of this. Now I can't add any more information about that Skool member. Like it doesn't tell me how much it is. Unfortunately, I know how much it is, but if everything changes, hopefully I will be able to get more information from Skool as time goes on. Now, do I want to send this as a bot? Yes, I'll just say I'll send it as a bot. The bot name, Money Skool Money. Icon, I just have it at the standard icon. I don't need a link to anything. I don't need an attachment. Image, I don't need any of that. I don't need to schedule anything. I don't need to have a thread, and send it as a channel message. Yes, just as a channel message. And then the last thing you want to do is test it, which I've already tested it, and it's all good, and it is working officially. Put it up. So overall, it's pretty easy to get this done. So when you get a new paid member in your premium Skool community, so you have to be on the premium Skool it's about $99 or $100 a month currently. You do monthly, and then you have to be on a paid plan of GoHighLevel. I am currently on the $97 a month plan, and then I am on the free plan with Slack. So this is how, as soon as you get a free paid member, you can get notified in Slack. You can automatically add them to HighLevel, and I will create a video on, once they hit HighLevel, how to automatically start them on an onboarding sequence. Hopefully this has been helpful. Good luck. Thank you.